We're just gonna jump right into it today. I'm gonna be making a easy bench to go on the front porch. You can see here I have it drawn out. These are the pieces we just cut. Don't pay attention to that right now. It's just helping hold them standing up. So I've got them stood up on the table. Here's my bottom piece that I cut for rough length already. And I just marked inside and outside of each leg to get those angles. I'm gonna cut these pieces now. I'll attach them, and then we'll do the same thing for the top. All right, we're gonna try to drill some plugs out of walnut for some accent pieces. No, I don't have a drill press. Got all my plugs cut here. Got this bit here. It's the same diameter as the plugs. So I'm just pre-drilling these holes. Then we'll screw it together and put the plugs in. All right, got our pieces cut, got some glue on here. Got some scrap pieces cut with the same angle as the bottom so I can clamp this. Top piece, which you can't even see. That'll work. Let's get these plugs in here. All right, this glue set up. I'm gonna cut these off. I guess we have to cut them with the Japanese saw for YouTube, right? I'll get the rest of these cut off. We'll get this sanded up and get it assembled. All right, here it is, upside down. Got these all sanded up. Plugs turned out nice. I'm just going to center these this way. I'm gonna put them about an inch from the end. Looks good right there. Pre-drill those holes and I'm just gonna screw those to that top. All right, we got these measured out where we want them. I'm just gonna hold the square against the leg to make sure it's square with this. There it is. I think I'm just gonna put some type of clear finish on it. Got the bench finished up. Here's what we used. It's bar urethane. It's my first time using it. It's not bad actually. It's pretty easy to apply. Got a nice sheen to it. I put 2 coats on here. Let me know what you think about how it turned out. This is gonna go on the front porch. Just a little decorative bench.